We have had a very useful consultation as Wiper Democratic Movement this evening, culminating in our decision to exit NASA and welcome a new formidable coalition, which coalition, in my view, will be spearheaded by the One Kenya Alliance. In making this decision, we have no hard feelings. And so from Tuesday, it will be hitting every corner of the Republic with a clear message, a very clear message, which we are all working together to realize. And thank Honorable Raila Odinga. When we were here, I received a letter signed by him. And ODM have now accepted to share in the political party's funding. Wow. These are monies secured under the consolidated fund. These are monies that are contributed by the Kenyan taxpayer. And that in the first place. And I always knew there were extremists in ODM who are misleading Raila. When we sat and I showed him, and by the way, I made it very clear, these were the only discussions I had with Raila on the matter of political parties funding. And he agrees with me because he hadn't seen the salient clauses to which he affixed his signature.